carbon emissions are a dire issue for the whole world, contributing to global warming and severe, unpredictable weather flooding. While our changing environment puts the air we breathe, the water we drink, and the land we live on at risk, with energy waste being a major culprit. Did you know that buildings consume 40% of global energy, with air conditioning accounting for a significant portion? But what if we could make a change and power our world more efficiently? At ESGreen Motor, we believe in a better future. A future where energy powers progress without compromising our planet. Our mission is simple: to revolutionize energy consumption through innovative motor technology. We're not just creating motors, we're crafting a sustainable legacy for generations to come. Our energy-efficient motors can reduce power consumption by up to 40% in air conditioning systems that run 24/7. That's not just savings, it's a commitment to our planet. It's not just about the technology. We consider the entire life cycle of the motor, from the materials we use to the ways that we can extend its useful life, and from its resiliency to its energy efficiency. Sustainability is built into every decision we make. Through this meticulous process of design, simulation, prototyping, and testing, ESGreen Motor has achieved breakthrough levels of energy efficiency, setting new industry standards. With each iteration, we get closer to our goal: motors that power our world while preserving our planet's resources for future generations. At ESGreen Motor, we're not just manufacturing motors, we're crafting a sustainable future. ESGreen Motor is making a difference across industries, revolutionizing energy consumption in diverse sectors. By integrating our energy-efficient motors, hotels can lower their energy bills by up to 30%, providing a more sustainable and cost-effective solution. Hospitals can lower their energy bills and use the substantial savings to reinvest in what matters most: patient care. For data centers with their 24/7 operations, the reliability of ESGreen Motor is crucial. Since switching to our energy-efficient motors, these facilities have seen a remarkable 40% drop in cooling costs, significantly reducing their carbon footprint. In commercial buildings, the benefits extend beyond just savings. Tenants appreciate the improved comfort and the building's commitment to sustainability. It's a win-win situation: reduced operating costs for building owners and a greener work environment for occupants. Every choice we make today shapes the world of tomorrow. By choosing energy efficiency, we're not just saving power, we're preserving our planet. At ESGreen Motor, we're committed to leaving a legacy of sustainability. Our energy-efficient motors are more than just technology. They're a promise to future generations. ESGreen Motor, powering a cleaner, greener future for generations to come. Together, we can make a difference. Use energy-efficient mode.